this video, we're going to talk about external products or affiliate products. So if you're selling products through your store, but when the user checks out or when they add that product, they're actually going to be redirected to another site. Now, how we do that is we'll go into our products and we'll click Add New. And the first thing that we'll do is we'll give our product a name. So let's say External Product A. And we'll go down here to our product data and we will select external or affiliate product. And that's going to give us some new options. So the first thing that we're going to do is the product URL. And this is where you're going to want to put in your affiliate link. So normally when you have an external or an affiliate product, they'll give you a link that you should use in order to get credit for that sale. And you would put that referral or that affiliate link into this product URL. Then we can choose what we want the button text to say. So something like buy now. And then we'll add in our price. Everything else about that product is generally the same. We can add it into categories. We can have photos for it. We can have a description for it. But let's just publish that for now, and then we'll open that up in a new tab. And you can see here, I would have my product image, my product title, it has my price, but when they select buy now, it's gonna redirect me to Google because that's the address I put in, but it would be your affiliate link or your external ID and stuff like that. And that's as easy as it is to create external or affiliate products with WooCommerce. Check out the next video where we're gonna talk about virtual products and downloads.